What's up, everyone? So there's an issue, I think. So I need your help on this one. The rear roof spoiler, I've installed a carbon fiber one. That's how it looks. And I just clean this area in the car itself is like that. So I don't know if this blends in, but from far away you would see like that. We're here from the top view. So I was thinking, I don't know if this, I'm undecided on this one. So just need your help on this. I could either return this and get one that's gloss black like this, or I can get one that's gloss black and how the sides, the outer side, it's red. So the outer lip would be red. So let me know. It's three options. Leave the carbon fiber one on if it looks good, if you guys think, or just get the glossy one only, or the glossy one with the red lip, the outer lip. And yeah, that would help me a lot on deciding which one I should put. Yeah, so definitely comment below on this one. I need at least 5 people or 4. Whoever wins on which one will be good, or leave this the way it is. Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys help me out in this one.